Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. As you can see, there is a Samsung tablet. The model number is T290. The screen has shutters, so we need to replace it. And the screen comes with the Digitizer both together, so when you replace the LCD, you have to replace with the actual touch panel, okay, both together. So there should have two connections. One of them goes directly to the top of the charging port connector, another one goes to the motherboard. So you have to take the back panel out. Alright, so this is kind of tricky. First of all, if you do have any sort of memory card slot, then you should take this out. That's the first thing. And make sure the power is turned off if there is any possibilities to turn it off. And then we need to take a flat opening tool. And this one is going to be a little bit tricky to find a gap first, okay? So it takes a little bit of time. If you do use any sort of metal tools, then please do extra care, because you may make some scratch on the tablet, okay? And then we're gonna spudger it side to side, and it should come out without any trouble. There is no glue or anything, so it should be smooth and easy. Alright, so once you remove the back panel, then the first thing that you have to do, that is disconnect the battery, which I didn't. I completely forgot, and that is not safe to do so. So before you touch into any other panels, make sure you take out the 3 screws next to the battery connector and disconnect the battery. And then you can perform to remove this speaker panel, which one right now I'm removing. There are a few screws, some of them flat wide screws and some of them black tiny screws, okay? You have to remove all of them due to replace this black speaker panel out. Alright, so now we have to remove the broken LCD panels, which won't stick to the actual mid frame with very strong adhesive. Alright, so we have to apply a lot of heat to melt down and soften this actual glue. Okay, so I'm going to use my hair dryer, and hair dryer is much safer than any other hot air gun, because this one normally people use it themselves, so you know the temperature is not too strong, but it's effective takes little bit of time. Once the LCD panel has removed, we have to take out any sort of extra glue that left over. Okay, a proper clean would give you a better result. Otherwise, if you try to stick the new LCD panel here, it wouldn't sit properly, it would be flimsy and stuff like that. And if any leftover glass chunk left, you have to clean it carefully, make sure you don't hurt yourself. If you do have safety, goggle and gloves would be better for this operation. Sometimes the tweezer doesn't help enough, so what I did, I used a little bit of acetone, which is 99.99% alcohol, to soften this adhesive and take this out easily.